Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? So BTT price is completely falls down, and it's a really bad news for all holder, my brother, because holders are doing very bad mistakes. So therefore, I will notify you if you do this mistake more and more. So exactly, you are completely in the loss. And the bad news is, you can say, my friend, last 7 days, last 24 hour, last 1 hour, exactly continuously this coin is falls down. Not just unique Bittorrent, my friend, all cryptocurrencies is very badly falls down. But what's the reasons, my friend, and what's the price prediction, and what's the opinion, everything I will discuss you. So you need to watch this video completely. But before I get started this brand video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much everybody who subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, really thank you. This time, my friend, you can see the price is 0.003 USD dollar. So remember to the price is fails down from 0.0010 USD dollar, my friend. So exactly this coin is very badly fails down, and absolutely you can say, my friend, from last this is the chart, my friend. I'm sorry, this is, my friend, absolutely 0 point, sorry, just a minute. This is the last 7 days chart, and absolutely you can say, my friend, this coin is completely fails down. So what's the main reason, my friends, to this coin is fails down? Everybody know this too. What's the main reason? The reason is that to all crypto market especially very badly dumps down, so therefore this coin is also fails down. But especially short term investor, they're doing very big mistake. In the mid of month, every cryptocurrencies will wake up. So therefore, when they, every cryptocurrencies take a jump, so short term investors, they are starting selling. So exactly they fails down. So therefore, I will notify you to this is short jump, short fails. Don't see this short fail. Absolutely, the good jump is coming soon. I hope, my friend, after this fail, they will absolutely take a very huge jump now. So the good time is coming soon. You holders, why you are starting selling? Hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the BTT price will be increased, but just in only you need to hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, BTT holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.